Grinding fresh spices into fragrant, oil-rich pastes requires serious kitchen hardware that won't stall under pressure. Finding the best blender for masala means balancing motor power, blade design, and container size to achieve silk-smooth curry bases every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Kitchen Blender Family. Handling the demanding textures of fresh ginger, garlic, whole spices, and thick onion bases requires exceptional force, and this 1500-watt powerhouse delivers professional-grade performance across every task. Driven by a robust 2-horsepower motor base, it effortlessly pulverizes tough roots and fibrous ingredients into smooth paste consistency. The system is exceptionally versatile, offering 4 distinct function settings: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, to tailor speed and torque to specific recipe demands. Its generous 72-ounce XL pitcher utilizes total crushing blades designed to reduce ice to fine snow in seconds, making it ideal when preparing large batches of chilled sauces or entertain-sized meals. Beyond traditional pitcher blending, the included 8-cup food processing bowl excels at uniform vegetable chopping, pureeing, and dough mixing, featuring dedicated chopping and dough blades that can process 2 pounds of dough within 30 seconds. For smaller, quick turnaround preparation, 2 16-ounce Nutribullet cups equipped with to-go lids and specialized pro extractor blades allow you to process individual portions of marinades or smoothies directly in the vessel. The build quality feels sturdy throughout, engineered to handle heavy resistance without overheating or slowing down. While the multi-blade stack inside the main pitcher requires cautious handling and thorough cleaning around the central post, the sheer versatility of having an all-in-one system offsets the extra wash time.
Number 2. WantJoin Professional Commercial Blender. Built to deliver massive power while maintaining a serene environment, this commercial-grade workhorse pairs a high-output 2200-watt motor with an integrated soundproof shield. Operating at speeds up to 38,000 RPM, the system utilizes dual-direction blade technology to shear through dense ingredients, hard seeds, and fibrous spices without missing a beat. The clear protective enclosure dramatically dampens operational noise while preventing splatters, making it an excellent match for home kitchens, busy cafes, or juice bars where excessive sound is unwelcome. A massive 80-ounce pitcher provides ample capacity for large family meals or commercial batches, though staying below the recommended 74-ounce liquid fill line ensures optimal circulation. Navigating texture is simple thanks to a 15-speed manual control dial paired with a dedicated pulse setting, giving you precise control over coarse wet chops or hyper-smooth purees.
Built-in thermal protection safeguards the heavy-duty motor against overheating during prolonged runs, and a self-cleaning routine takes the hassle out of manual scrubbing. Its substantial footprint and commercial aesthetic require dedicated countertop real estate, but the trade-off is industrial-level durability and whisper-quiet processing power. Number 3. Braun MultiQuick Blender Product. Direct control over blending speed and texture reaches a new standard with this intuitively designed hand blender, making it ideal for processing wet pastes directly inside your cooking pots. Powered by a capable 500-watt motor, it features smart speed technology that replaces rigid button presets with pressure-sensitive control. Pressing deeper increases power instantly for finer results, while a lighter touch yields a coarser chop. The flexible active blade shaft moves up and down during operation, expanding the active cutting surface by 250% to drag hard roots and dense ingredients into the path of the extra PowerBell Plus milling blade. Splashing is kept strictly under control thanks to advanced shroud geometry that minimizes suction by 25% compared to older models, keeping counter surfaces clean while offering smooth, effortless maneuverability. The versatile EasyClick Plus system allows you to swap between different attachments with a single click, transforming the core motor handle into a whisk, chopper, or pureeing tool in seconds. Because it processes ingredients directly in your vessel, it eliminates the messy extra step of transferring hot liquids between pans and countertop pitchers. Its lightweight, ergonomic grip reduces hand strain during extended meal prep, though extremely dry or hard spices may still require a small splash of liquid to move fluidly around the blade guard.
Number 4. Ninja Immersion Blender. Combining compact storage with heavy-duty output, this versatile stick blender brings raw power directly to your cooktop or prep bowl. Built around a high-torque base featuring smart torque technology, the motor maintains a steady, uninterrupted speed, even when working through thick purees or cold, dense mixtures. The primary 9-inch stainless steel blending arm is outfitted with an integrated pan guard, allowing you to blend aromatics directly inside delicate non-stick pots or deep stock vessels without scratching the coating. 4 speed settings give you complete authority over the consistency of your prep, transitioning easily from rough pulse cuts to velvety smooth sauces. When you need to pivot from pureeing to aeration, the main power base detaches instantly to accept the included rapid whisk head, which handles pancake batters, whipped cream, and meringues at impressive speeds. For personal smoothies, small batch dressings, or isolated spice pastes, the package includes a dedicated 4-cup blending pitcher, complete with a fitted lid.
Cleanup is minimal, as the BPA-free attachments unlock smoothly and are completely dishwasher safe. While immersion designs naturally require manual holding and slight tilting to draw dense solids into the blades, compared to hands-free countertop jars, the exceptional maneuverability and lack of bulky pitcher storage.
Number 5. Nutribullet NBF 5500 Blender. Offering total flexibility for varied batch sizes, this hybrid setup combines the high-capacity convenience of a full-size pitcher with the quick efficiency of personal single-serve cups. At the heart of the system sits a robust 1200-watt motor base that drives an easy-twist extractor blade, crafted from durable stainless steel, engineered to create a powerful cyclonic vortex. Control is straightforward, featuring 3 electronic speed settings, a pulse mode, and an automated extract program that runs a pre-programmed cycle to break down tough skins, seeds, and fibrous stems. The main 64-ounce pitcher is molded from high-performance, BPA-free plastic and features a vented lid cap, allowing steam to escape safely when pureeing hot soup bases or warm aromatic mixtures. For smaller daily tasks, the system includes both a 32-ounce cup and a 24-ounce handled cup, complete with 2 travel lids that let you blend and carry personal portions in the same vessel. A custom-fitted tamper is included to push dense ingredients down into the cyclonic zone without needing to pause operation or remove the main lid. While the twist-on blade assembly requires a firm grip to seal properly and prevent leaks over time, the long-term durability and extraction efficiency are top-tier. It represents a fantastic middle ground for households that frequently alternate between single-portion prep work and large family meal prep.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.